Hi, I'm Jono Bonifant and I'm the CEO here at Lentune. We're a really excited Simpro partner. I think the big problem that we solve for Simpro is helping out with supplier invoices. We've got a really unique value proposition around solving enterprise level invoice flows, allowing delegated authority for enterprise level business that are looking to scale and reduce their administration. You know, it's all about solving problems, and I think for us, we've got two key pieces, and it is really around invoicing, but focusing in on invoicing for those enterprise level customers. I think if you want to take control and make sure you are paying the right invoices and people are eyeballing and making sure you are paying for things that you've received, you really need a solution that's designed for that workflow specifically. And so for us to be able to work with Simpro enterprise level customers, it's really exciting to be able to create a tech stack that's really well integrated and solves a problem that's really quite quickly quantifiable for these businesses. So we've been a Simpro partner for, I'd say it'd be about 5 years, but I think up until probably the last 12 months, really flown under the radar. And I think with this new energy that Simpro have put into their partnership program, it's been really exciting. We've had people that have specifically been looking after us. We've had really good engagement with the marketing team, and I think it shows a real energy and commitment to utilising partners to drive forward Simpro's growth in the short term. And I think that's a really exciting opportunity for us to be able to prove that we want to be part of that tech stack around Simpro. Great question. I think if I was going to be a software feature, I'd be an AI chatbot. I think engaging with people and helping people solve problems is a really exciting piece, and I think that's a technology that's already here in terms of where AI is really applicable, and I think it adds a huge amount of value if you get the data right, and it's a great opportunity to scale a business really quickly.